Here on the third floor at Ludlow Hester, around the corner from the F train. This is a floor-through loft, about 1,500 square feet. Entire floor, third floor of the building. When we come in, we have 3 windows facing east in the kitchen area here. This extends about 20 feet wide, across 20, maybe 21. You have a beautiful island to eat at, and upper lower cabinetry, stainless steel appliances with dishwasher and microwave here. The main front space, this common area or this work area, since this is a work-live, extends about 30 feet to this wall here, and about, like as I said, about 20 or 21 across. As we move back to the rear part of the loft, we come into a walk-in closet, which could be used for storage for a business or as a walk-in closet here. In this middle area here, could be the living area or could be an intermediate area for design or workspace. We have a bedroom back here extending about 7 by 13, and we have another area here that is also a bedroom, also with sliding doors here, and this extends 11 by 13 with a rustic closet here, but with a washer and dryer in the unit. This side of the loft is facing west. So you have 2 bedrooms back here and a third area, which could convert to another sleeping area or whatever have you. Call rate to see this space at 212-602-1137. There you have full bath down here in Lower East Side.